Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Just recently, I was fortunate enough to go to Japan and go eat at the Ichiran famous ramen noodle restaurant. And I want to show you my experience there. The Ichiran Ramen restaurant that I went to was the one in Tokyo. It's located in Shinjuku area. We had to order it using a vending machine, but this is the place where we go and sit and eat. As you can see, everyone get a private area. I was given a piece of paper to mark the type of broth and the spiciness level, but I chose the recommended one. I basically didn't really have to talk to anybody to get our item ordered. After we select our items, we were given a cup to get our own water and an egg if we ordered it. Once the food is ready, they just slide it to you, and here it goes. A famous ramen. It looked and smelled so good. The broth was perfect. It doesn't have the pork gamey flavor. It's just smooth, savory, and delicious. And I love the texture of the noodles. It was bouncy, a little bit chewy, and just right. I like the thinness of it. I don't really like thick ramen. The soup were so soothing. I really recommend this place. And the pork was also very tender and juicy. It really complemented the whole meal. And don't forget about the egg. It was cooked perfectly. It was so hard to cut open the egg with a chopstick with just one hand. But I managed to do it. See how perfectly it was cooked? So nice and creamy and delicious. It was so good, you guys. If you have a chance to visit Ichiran Ramen, I recommend it 100%. See you guys in my next video.